My first impressions after using this cleanser for a week. Let's go. This is the Ultrabland facial cleanser. I wanted to show you just how thick this is. I'll mention later in the video exactly what the texture is like. Here I am applying it all over. I do like to use a really good amount. Top tips as well for really dry skin. If you're able to, maximize the amount of time it is in contact with your skin. I personally love to use this before a bath, let it sit on the skin, and then take off with a warm mitt, a muslin cloth.
Feels really nice. More moisturising than I thought it would feel. And it has a really, really high slip. Like a real butter feeling.
This video wasn't sponsored, by the way, but I had to put ad because I am a Friends of Lush, which means that I review some of the products and I get PR, which is always appreciated. And if you would like to support this channel and more unsponsored content with my honest opinions and views,
I'm like shocked.
Make sure to click down below in the description and the comments to shop through Lush, and I will show you 5 of my favourite products on that link. If you want to watch my very first impressions and deep dive into the ingredients of this specific cleansing balm, head down below in the description. And for more content, some videos will be up on the screen right now if you don't want to say goodbye just yet. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video, and please make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this sort of content.